In this lesson, I will discuss about task pane. You will get that task pane in this area. This is called task pane. You do not need to open any part, assembly or drawing file to get this task pane. This is by default when you will open the SolidWorks for the first time, or anytime if you open SolidWorks, it will show you at the right corner. Now, if this does not show here, then you have to go to File. From here, you have to make sure this task pane is selected. Then it will show here. Now, I will go to this SolidWorks resource. I will select it, this tab. I will pin this to make sure this will stay here. Otherwise, if I select somewhere here, this will collapse. So in that case, I can pin this. So first one is SolidWorks resource. Inside this, you will find some general information. First group, inside this you will see getting started. You will get some idea about SolidWorks, like how to create new file, or if you want to open any file, you can do from here. This too is the same option like this. Then some free tutorial, online tutorial you will find here. Then there are few SolidWorks tools is available by which you can create custom property, which is property tab builder. Then community. Inside this you can access customer portal or discuss forum. You can get few technical alert or news from here. Then some online resource. Also you will find subscription service option here. You can access your subscription service in SolidWorks. The next tab which is really very important, design library. Library means which part or anything you want to reuse. You can reuse any routing part from here, or if you want to reuse your any hardware related thing, as for example nut, bolt, washer, something like that. In that case, you have to use this toolbox. You can set up your own toolbox if you want. This is highly customizable. Also, if you want to access 3D Content Central, you can also do that from here. If you want to create a new library, you can also do that by using this option. But now I will create a new file location. Now, why I am creating this new file location? I am creating this new file location to access exercise file very easily. You have to download exercise file, then you have to link that exercise file here. So this is my exercise file. I will select it, then press OK, and you can see this file folder location will show here. Now if I expand it, you will see all folder is showing here. If I select this exercise file, I can see here. So if I go to inside this 03, from here you can see there are a few files showing here. If I right click, I can select list large icon. I can also show like this way. Let's say I want to open this 31. So I will just drag and drop inside this graphic window and it will open assembly very quickly. So I do not need to go to folder and then from there I don't need to open it. I can do it from here. I just set up it. You can just follow with me. This is very quick. Let's say when I am working with 10, I will go to inside this. I just have to drag and drop here. This is very quick. So in the design library, if you want, you can also add different folder location here also. Then the next one is file explorer. If you want to search any file in your local directory, you can also search here. Or if you want to search any file which is already open inside the SolidWorks, so you have to go to inside this option. These three parts are open and one assembly is open, but one assembly is highlighted because this is active, but this is open but in the background. Then I will go to view palette. You cannot access this view palette. I will discuss about this view palette when I will create 2D drawing. So you need this in 2D drawing. When you will create any different view, you need this view palette. By using view palette, you can create your view very quickly. Then the next option is appearance, scenes and decal. By using this, you can very quickly add appearance, scenes and decal for your part or assembly. Then the next option is custom property. If you want to add any custom property, you can add from here. By using property tab builder, you have to create a form. By using that form, you have to add custom property. The last one is SolidWorks forum. If you want to access SolidWorks forum, in that case you have to search from here. This is very important option, this task pane. So I will say always keep this open to the right side. You can always open by using this view user interface from here, you can keep checked this task pane.